To get more views on your next YouTube video, you can simply add tags. Tags are descriptive keywords similar to hashtags you can add to your video to help viewers find your content. To add tags to your YouTube video, all you need to do is go to your channel at the top right, click on the profile pic, and then head down to YouTube Studio. Now, inside of the YouTube Studio, what you want to do is click on the upload videos button and then select your file that you want to upload. I'm going to be uploading a random video as an example to show you what pops up before publishing the video. And this is the details of that video that you can edit and add tags to increase the viewership of your video. Now, as you can see, I have uploaded a video as a DaVinci Resolve tutorial, and the idea behind this tutorial is to delete gaps on the timeline fast. Now, if you scroll down, all the way down, you will come across something that says show more, and it says paid promotions, tags, subtitles, and more. I want you to click that, and then it will open up another section where you'll see paid promotion. Do not worry about that. You say automatic chapters, don't worry about that. What you want to see is tags. Here, you want to add some tags. Now, I have to think about what people are searching for in order for my video to pop up in front of them. So they would be searching for, let's say, DaVinci Resolve. So once you add a tag, simply press enter to actually add the tag. You can have spaces in between the words, which is totally fine. So we can put DaVinci Resolve editing, right? So I have 2 spaces in between 3 words. I just press enter and then it's added to my tags. And my goal is hopefully when people are searching for DaVinci Resolve, my video will pop up on their feed because I have these tags. So I can add a few more, like video editing, for example, and then press enter. Now, when you're all done adding your tags, you can go ahead and click next, and then you'll proceed to go through the video elements, checks, and then visibility. And then from there, if we go public, you can publish this video. I'm not going to do that as it is an example, but once you publish the video, it will be live. Now, if you do want to add tags to an old video, which I really highly recommend that you test out different tags and find out what's working and what's not working. There are softwares that allow you to check the stats of each tag that's on your video. All you have to do is go back into your YouTube Studio and then go down to content. And then, for example, we're just gonna find a video, how to install and download DaVinci Resolve 18. Okay, we want to click on the details. And when that opens up, it's going to look very similar to where you were uploading the video previously, right? So what we wanna do is scroll all the way down and then to where you find your tags. And here is where you can delete tags by clicking the remove button, the X, or you can add tags. You can only have 500 characters max in the tag section. I've used 486, so technically I could put video, right, and then enter it. Not a problem. And then once you are happy removing or adding new tags, you can simply go ahead and click the save button, and that will save your changes and it would automatically update your YouTube video. And the main thing is adding tags is one of the key factors to getting views and showing up in YouTube search immediately. Now, if you have a YouTube channel and want to learn how to grow your YouTube channel and improve your video editing techniques, consider subscribing to my channel and checking out epic videos just like this one to enhance your skills as a video editor and YouTuber. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.